Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use PowerPoint morph transition effect. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. Okay, so first of all you need to select the slide where you want to this transition effect to appear. So I will select this slide, then I will go into this transition tab, and at the first you can see this option where it says morph transition. So basically just click on this one, and here you can see that we have this morph transition effect. Okay, then again I want to add this effect to this slide as well. Click on this slide, go to morph, and now it's been added. Now we will go into the slideshow mode by pressing F5, and we will move to the next slide, and here we have the transition effect. Then we will move on to the next slide, and here we have the cool looking morph transition effect. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.